In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Fusion 360 Quick Guide. Let's start by opening Fusion 360 and creating a fresh workspace. Go to File, then choose New Design. This gives you a clean canvas with an empty timeline at the bottom where every action is recorded. Before you draw anything, check your units in the bottom toolbar so your design is sized correctly from the beginning. It also helps to name your file early so you can keep your projects organized. Next, begin your sketch. Click Create Sketch, then select a plane to draw on. The three main options are the front, top, and right planes, each aligned with the origin. Pick the plane that best matches the face of the object you want to design. You'll see a grid appear with the origin in the center, which is useful for symmetry and alignment. Use the line, rectangle, and circle tools to outline your idea. Keep your shapes simple at first. You can always refine them as you go. As you draw, add dimensions and constraints to make your sketch precise and stable. Use the dimension tool to set exact lengths and diameters, and apply constraints like parallel, perpendicular, or coincident to lock in relationships between lines and points. You'll notice that fully constrained geometry turns from blue to black, which is a good sign that the sketch is well defined and ready to become 3D. When you've closed your shapes so they form complete profiles, click Finish Sketch. Now you're ready to turn those 2D profiles into solid models using powerful tools. Start with Extrude. Select the profile you drew and pull it out to add thickness. Set the distance and direction and choose whether you want to create a new body, join it to an existing one, or cut material away. Extrude is great for blocks, plates, and general forms. Use Revolve for round parts like knobs, shafts, or bottles. Pick a profile that represents a slice of the shape, choose an axis to revolve around, and set the angle, often a full 360 degrees for symmetrical parts. Loft lets you blend smoothly between two or more profiles on different planes. Create the profiles where you need them, then loft from one to the other to form organic transitions or tapered geometry. Sweep is ideal for pipes, wires, or custom rails. Draw a cross-sectional profile, then create a path using a line or curve. Sweep carries the profile along the path to form the 3D shape. Remember, everything you do is captured in the timeline, so you can double-click any feature or sketch to make changes. Save your work and you're on your way to building complete designs.